Welcome again to my channel, Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today it is time to visit our urban net house. We are in the month of August and today we are going to see how our plants are doing into our net house. So let us get into the net house and see how all plants are doing. So as we enter into the net house, we can see the lot of vegetations over here, and we have done all this growing into the grow bags. Now first on the left you can see these are my ginger plants. In the last visit they were not sprouted, but now they have sprouted well. It is now 1 month. It is a time for now that we do some weeding and put the intercrop. So we have planted a capsicum as an intercrop into this ginger plant, and for that we have started raising the seedling over here. So all these trays are with the ginger. Here you can see some of the cowpea which is from the summer month. We have pruned that before the monsoon and re-sprouted, and you can see the good growth after the re-sprouting. And now it's a time they are about to flowering, and they will give some pods to us as a production, and then we will remove this cowpea. On this right side you can see we have taken 3 crop as a relay crop. In this 3 crop we have started with the 3 legume crops, in which one is the bush beans, the next is the sweet pea or pea, and the third is French bean. So we are going to grow this crop, and after 1 month we are going to put tomato plants into all these grow beds. So for that we have started growing the tomato seedling. You can see the tomato seedling now sprouting, and we are going to put this tomato into this as a relay crop. These all are ginger, and now you can see this line. This line is with the 18-inch 6-inch height grow bag, and these all grow bags are with the leafy greens. Here we have planted coriander, spinach, and some other amaranth and other green leaves. With that we have planted cucumber, and you can see the cucumber is now already at 4 leaf stage. Now it's a time that we will support this cucumber plant to the vertical trellis and get the cucumber. These are the hybrid cucumber, and we are going to get the fruit soon. Here is the old buttergourd plant. This vine is grown very long, and now they have started again fruiting. You can see on the top some of the fruiting is there on the top. So we will take couple of the fruits from this vine and then remove this vine. Here is the line of the turmeric. This we have planted around mid of the June. So this is almost around 2 months, and you can see the very good growth of these turmeric plants. They are almost of the height of 2.5 feet to 3 feet height. Now in this turmeric plant we have planted some intercropping, and you can see this intercropping. This is the okra. So 8 to 10 trays, grow bags of the okra. Then we have a cluster bean, and then we have a cowpea as an intercrop into this turmeric. So all are growing well. These are just sprouted, and it will give fruit after 15 to 20 days. The next line we can see is the purple yam plants. So here is the 2 type of purple yam in the 2 line of the grow bags, and each line having 2 purple yam. We have trained them with the single stick of the bamboo, and you can see that they have grown to the top height of the bamboo stick. So purple yam is also doing good, and this purple yam was planted into the chili, and chili plants are, you can see now, this is a capsicum and it is about the flowering. So we are going to get some capsicum from this. In the further in there are some chilies which are already fruiting, and we are regularly harvesting these chilies. You can see all this plant. You can see some of the ripe chilies, some of the green chilies. So they are doing good into the mixed cropping. So all these 3 tuber crop, you can see the turmeric, ginger and purple yam over here. Then in the last line we have a mixed cropping of corn and the beans. So here you can see some of the cones, and here are the pole beans with the cone, which we are going to train on the cone only. And here you can see the yard long beans. So all this we have planted as a mixed cropping, and in the near future I will update how this plant is doing. But right now they are just sprouted and established. So this is all about our net house, the urban net house. Here you can see some of the worms. You can remove them. So friends, this is all about my urban net house, where I am growing different vegetables and tuber crops. So friends, this is all about this urban net house, where I am growing different vegetables. So please write me back, how do you find this urban net house and growing of these vegetables? And if you find this interesting, then give me the like. And if you think this is useful, then please share it to the like-minded people also. And you also plan for preparing one like this and have a fresh vegetables on your terrace or into your backyard or into your balconies. Happy growing!